Okay, I'm going to show you guys a trick. Night driving. Now, first I want to explain to you what happens and why. What happens when you pass a car on the road and you can't see after it, which, see my eye there? What happens is your pupil constricts because of the light coming into it. You see how small that gets? And then it takes another few seconds for your pupil to dilate back open. And what that does is it's saving your eyes, protecting your eye from the light, from too much light entering your retina. So the problem with that is it doesn't open up quite fast enough, and for the first few seconds after you pass the car, you feel like you're blind. So here's what you're going to do. As you come up to a car, as soon as you see it in the distance, before it have a chance to really blind you, as soon as you see this car, take one of your eyes and close it. And take your other eye and focus on, direct your attention to the white line or to the guardrail. Yeah, and as you pass the vehicle, after it's gone and the light can no longer dry, you open it back up. And what that'll do, that'll allow you to have one eye that never constricted. Now, when this eye never constricts, you have all the light coming into that eye, and you shouldn't be blind by the cars going by. Now, I know that it is a pain, but as we get older, our eyes react worse and worse to this, and any kind of exposure to sunlight can cause rods and cones, cause damage in the retina itself, and make your night vision worse. This trick has helped me a lot. It really helps me on tunnels. We have some tunnels that we have to go through. So before I would, in the daytime, it's bright outside, and we go into the tunnel, and I'm blind. So wait like a minute before I go into the tunnel, I'll close an eye, and I'll let that eye become acclimated to the darkness, and it's going to open the pupil to that eye. It's going to open the iris to that eye, and I can see better when I go into the tunnel. So I hope this trick, I hope it helps you. So if it does, you can click like and subscribe. Won't hurt my feelings.